down that court. Coming up to the free throw line. He scored! Yeah! Hey, he's even been taking some lessons from one of his favorite earthbound basketball stars, Larry Bird. Anyways, learned a fancy new move. Let's take a look. Driving down the court. Big, tall guys everywhere you look. Yeah, there's one right there. What are you gonna do? Dodge around him about like that. Don't forget about the guy that guards the bucket. Ducks under, shoots, and scores! Oh, yeah! Mr. Flock does a fine job with a little basketball, but if you played the game, you know he wasn't playing very fair. Everybody knows when you get the ball, you're supposed to do what?
Dribble.
Commander, please, dribble that ball all the way in for the score. Here we go. One more little dribble. He shoots and stuffs it for 2 more big points. Hey! Hate to tell you, but here on Earth, we call that goaltending. Get out of there, you big cheater. Goodness gracious. Oh. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's now with great pleasure that I introduce to you the final member of our little crew here. She is the youngest and sweetest of all of the crew members. I'd like for you to make her feel really special. Put your hands together and help me welcome the beautiful Princess Leia! Welcome to the meeting today, Princess. We're glad you could join us. And, oh, she's got a little greeting for everybody.